Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor. Today I've got a vintage pine, got some Hexol. Likely from the 80s or 90s. Take a look at the label here. As you can see, it boasts a 57.2% pine oil content. So I have hopes that the cloud cam will be quite active today. Let's head on over there and see what we got. Over here at the cloud cam, take a whiff of the product. Yes, that is a strong pine. So what we do around here is 1/8 cup, 30 milliliters, 2 tablespoons, however you want to say it, all the same. That's what we got going into the measuring cup. This is a real thick product. We'll do a slow pour. Maybe the camera will pick that up a little bit. One drop got into the bucket already, and I see a little bit of clouds. We're still a little shy on product. There we go. Let's do a nice slow pour on that. And we have severe thunderstorm season in the bucket. How about that? Totally expected that situation. I can see the oil floating on top, so you know it's good. Let's go back over to the floor cam and get to work. Back over at the floor cam. As usual, I'll go over this floor 2 times, rinsing the mop out in this solution right here between rounds and at the end. And as usual, the floor is 68 years old. There's no expectations it's going to be perfect. I just need it clean. It needs a light cleaning. It's not a bathroom or a kitchen area where there's grease or lots of germs. Just a light mop and an air dry. It's good to go. So let's get started. Oh yeah, that is very nice. Very, very nice. Nice hot water. Let's go for round 1. Round 1 complete. Already filling the hallway with a nice super strong pine aroma, traditional pine that is. Get ready for round 2. Round 2. Round 2 is completed, and the hallway smells fantastic. Clean up a couple little drips there. Take a look at the after. It's a bit darker than it was when I started. Floor wasn't terribly dirty today at all. Vintage Hexol, definitely a good one to have if you can find it. And once again, cleaning the floor with vintage Hexol, 57.2% pine oil. Thank you for watching.